Once upon a time, there was a place called Scotland. Scotland was a lovely country as there was a really strong sense of community. The ordinary people, councillors, and local authorities worked together to decide what services should be delivered to their local populations. Just what the real essence of local democracy is all about. Everyone was living the happily ever after life, and no one would ever think that this life could be taken away from them. So, keeping the long story short, around 1979, the evil Snow Queen, as described by Alan Crane, came to power, and she did change everything. Local electors were no longer to make their own choices, as that Snow Queen was making these decisions for them. Life was never the same for those people. And not only that, this is just the start of the 40 years of local government reforms, budget cuts, the necessity to do more with less, the necessity to transform and innovate. That was not the only thing which was changing at that time. There was also another shift, a global shift around digital and data-driven governments, which was associated with development of digital technologies such the internet, social media, mobile technologies, devices, smart technologies, and more recently robotics and artificial intelligence. Previous research suggests that digital technologies are contributing factors to governments worldwide becoming increasingly digital and data-driven organizations. But what that really means to the ordinary people and the local governments? Well, literature suggests that the evolution of a relationship between the government and citizen is linked with the increasing use of data and technologies, which build a foundation to reimagine the concept of citizen co-production. The attention to co-production in the UK has mainly been associated with different reforms, including changes to service delivery and improvements since the Labour government took the office back in 1997. While co-production can be radical and empowering, it can be viewed more critically alongside the changes to public sector delivery and the new public management brought and how they constituted to changing the role of citizen. So why that all really matters? Without an appropriate data dialogue between the local governments and citizens, which is supported by appropriate level of active engagement and understanding of data, the potential of building relationship between the new digital and data-driven local governments and citizens and this evolving data and digital landscape could be lost. And this is what my PhD is all about. This project is a collaboration between Stirling University and the National Improvement Service for Local Government in Scotland. The project is using action research, which is me working with the communities, to explore innovations by Scottish local government in using data to understand communities and bring communities into the dialogue to better understand how local outcome in Scotland could be improved for those ordinary people.